Start with clean skin before makeup and then use skincare products before makeup. First, apply serum or moisturize the face. And apply sunscreen of SPF 30. Then apply primer before makeup. Makeup order for face. First, apply foundation and contour your face. Then use concealer. Then apply powder base. Apply blush on your cheeks. And highlight your face with a highlighter. Makeup order for eyes. Firstly, apply eyeshadows. Secondly, apply eyeliner. And then apply mascara on your eyelashes. Makeup order for lips. Firstly, scrub your lips. Secondly, use lip balm. Thirdly, apply lip liner or lip pencil. And lastly, apply lipstick or lip gloss on your lips. Thanks for joining us today.